Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Oxlint, a new player in the linting arena that recently hit beta release after an impressive year of community-driven development. If you're a developer, you might already be familiar with ESLint, a popular tool used for static code analysis in JavaScript projects. Well, Oxlint is here to replace ESLint for smaller to medium-sized projects, making waves with some significant improvements. First off, let's talk about the performance improvements. Oxlint boasts up to 50% faster linting times compared to its predecessor. And who doesn't love a little extra speed, right? This means you can verify your code even quicker, allowing for a smoother development process. To put things in perspective, benchmarks on some popular repositories show extreme speed-ups, like a staggering 53% faster lint time for Microsoft's VS Code repository. Now, what makes Oxlint so appealing? It comes packed with over 500 built-in rules, which is a huge leap from the initial general availability release that only had 205 rules. Among those, 99 are enabled by default, so right out of the box, you get more coverage without needing to hunt down additional plugins. Seriously, whether you're working with TypeScript, React, or even Vue files, Oxlint has got your back with support for many common linting rules. Speaking of versatility, Oxlint also introduces configuration options through the .oxlintrc.json files. This feature allows developers to have nested configurations and share settings between different files, which is pretty neat. And if you're thinking about integrating this tool into your workflow, the process is straightforward. You can use your preferred package manager, NPM, Yarn, or even Dino to get started quickly. But with all the new rules and capabilities, you might wonder, is it still easy to use? The team behind Oxlint has worked hard to ensure that even with the increase in rules, the tool remains accessible. They've also made it easier to apply automatic fixes and suggestions to your files, streamlining your development journey further. Now let's talk about the roadmap going forward. One of the most requested features is support for existing custom ESLint plugins. It's exciting to hear that the team is actively working on this and aims to roll it out in the next major release. So if you've built your own plugins, hang tight. This functionality will enhance Oxlint's versatility even more. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the incredible community behind Oxlint. Over 200 contributors have helped bring this project to life, and without their efforts, this beta release would not have been possible. Shout out to key contributors whose hard work has led to sophisticated lint rules and improvements in configuration and documentation. As we dive deeper into the world of code quality tools, Oxlint represents a significant leap forward, merging performance with functionality. If you're curious about linting tools or are looking to enhance your code standards, Oxlint might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you're as excited about Oxlint as we are. If you have thoughts or experiences with linting tools, feel free to share. What are some features you wish existed? Until next time, keep coding, keep improving, and we'll catch you in the next episode.